Hi there, welcome to Ethical Hacking from Scratch to Get Paid tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to install Tor browser in Kali Linux. Also, I will give you guys an overview about what is Darknet. As an ethical hacker, you should be knowing about Darknet. If you don't know, then it's a topic you must look for. So first, let us download Tor file. So open your browser first and visit the link torproject.org and click on download Tor, and you have to download this file for Linux 64-bit. Okay, I have already downloaded that file. After downloading that file, you have to extract it. So you can see our file has been extracted. Let me copy it to desktop. Double click that file. Double click it again. Now, for the security reason, Tor is not allowed to use as root user. So if you try to open it directly from this file, you will get an error. Let me show you. So this is the error that we will see. To use it as a root user, we have to make some changes inside its code. Okay, so let me show you what changes we have to make. Let me go back again. Okay, double click this file, go inside this file, double click the browser and search for this file start Tor browser and double click it. Now pressing Ctrl F, search for root and you will find this code over here. We have to make this code as an comment, so you have to add hash before these 4 lines. So after adding this hash and changing the code, save it and close it. Now double click on the Tor browser setup and you can see you will get this pop-up. Click on connect. It will take some time. Click here, test for network settings. And you will get this message, congratulations, this Tor is configured to use. So our Tor is now successfully installed. So So now, as we have successfully installed Tor, I want to give you a short overview about the Darknet. So Darknet is like an hidden internet which not available to everyone. The link on the Darknet can't be opened on browsers like Google Chrome and Firefox, etc. To open such type of links, you have to use browser like Tor. Okay, all the links available on the Darknet are illegal. You can say it's the hidden world where all the illegal activities take place. For example, you can purchase leaked private data of other users. There are drug dealers, weapon dealers, terrorist articles to join their group, and many more. So I just sharing this knowledge for your this knowledge purpose, and I am not at all supporting you guys to access such links, because I have seen many people suffered after visiting such links. For an example, I can show you one website which contains such type of links, but I does not recommend you guys to visit such links. The website is, let me open Google first, and its name is, you can search for hidden wiki. So as you can see here that all the links are onion links which can only be opened in Tor browser. You can open search engines like DuckDuckGo, and there are many links over here. Marketplace for drugs, hacking. You can hire hacker over here to hack someone's machine. So I don't recommend you guys to visit any of this link for your safety purpose. So I think that's it for this video. See you guys in next video.